Hey chemists, Michelle Glass here, and we're back talking just a little bit about salts. So when we talk about salts, we can also talk about these as electrolytes. We can also talk about these as ions. So what we're talking about is something like sodium chloride, which we talked about in our discussion of the ionic bond. This would be a salt. This is actually table salt, right? And the significance of salts in our body is that pretty much all of our body chemistry is happening in water. And water is a universal solvent. And so what we're going to, I don't think I should write this as an equation. Water, let's just remember here, water, universal solvent. And solvent means dissolver. And we can draw a water, remember, like this, where we have oxygen with a slight -2 charge, and then the hydrogens have slight positive charge. What we're going to see happening is when you put your sodium chloride, your salt, in water, it will disassociate. Disassociate. Oops, spelling that way wrong. Which means to separate, basically. So what we're going to see happening is water will surround those chlorides, and they'll surround in such a way so that you would expect your hydrogens, which are your positive part of your water, to surround the chloride. And then on the flip side of that, you're going to see that sodium ion is going to be surrounded by the positive side of the water molecule. So the oxygen is going to surround the sodium. This also connects in with that universal solvent nature of water. So because water has polarity, it has slight charges, which I just drew on the one molecule, we'll see that anything that has a charge is going to dissolve very well because the opposites attract, right? And so the opposite charges will surround each other. So sodium and chloride won't really have a good time, or easy time coming together and making that salt crystal. Instead, it's going to be dissolved. So anytime we're talking about electrolytes, we're talking about ions, we're talking about salts, and we'll see these as ions, as disassociated in our conversations of human chemistry. That's it for this brief talk. Stay tuned for pH. And as always, take care of yourselves and each other.